We have a stalker. You just have one kitty out here. Where's your sister? I know. She's making you. We have 2 kitties. Hi, kitties. Hello, kitties. Come on. You guys ready to go see the chickies? Come on. Hey, little one, you're out. You're the only little one out. We got some big ones already ready for bed. Hi, little one. Hi, guys. Is it because it's wet and rainy outside? She said no, thank you. Let's see how the other ones are. Hi, guys. I love y'all. Please don't poop on me. Hi. Hello, little jelly bean. Hi. Hi, Chitos. Hi, Goldie. Hi. Are you tormenting the dog?
That's all, folks.